cannot believe it's 6100 right now. 6100? Why are you in here? I don't know. I'm working here to see my son.
That's 611?
That's not me. That's not 611. It's me. There's just so much to know about. George, this is insane. Yeah, I know. Huh. I'm happy to see you excited. Yep. Did the AC just turn off? Yeah. Alright, let's check some of the locomotives. There's animals. I don't know why is there animals, but they kind of have all 6 O's. What? Are you guys seeing this?
Yes, we are. Guys,
Yeah. I know.
this is cool, but I still hate Sarasota.
This is no wonder. Hey guys, I'm New York Central 49, and I just wanted to tell you that this is a good place here. I have my one now, and I really love to see 312, but I have other plans to do. Please, I'm so tiny. I don't know what to do with myself anymore. I'm sorry, Pacific Lines. 1839. Dude, where are the other tiny trains right here?
Speaking of tiny trains, this looks like Thomas.
Yeah, at least I work. At least I can pull coaches, right? I don't know if you can.
Coaches, there's coaches.
Can you pull coaches? Maybe I can or not. Let me try pull a coaches real quick. Alright, let's see. I told you I can pull coaches. See? Huh? Amtrak coaches. Okay.
Oh, by the way, the camera just recording my legs.
Oh my god. Karen, why would you do that? I don't know. What the?
Oh my, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. I guess that's okay.
Mom, come over here. What did you get?
What is it?
Look. Oh, first time I see one of
Make sure all my switches are switched right.
Oh, 312. This is nice. Yeah, I know. But George, I thought I just found someone. Too many wheels. Oh, you guys look the same. Yeah, we do, but it's fine. Are you sure it's fine? Yeah, it is.